Oh, just a normal day. Going to give some food to my brother. Here you go, my brother.
Thank you, David.
You're very welcome.
Oh,
What is that?
oh, David, you're such a puny little creature. You can never defeat a big thing like me.
Oh yeah, you wanna bet?
Oh, I do.
Okay, tomorrow at this time, at this exact place, we battle. Ah. Well,
Go,
well,
you can
well.
do this, David.
Would you look
can
on
do
your
Hello, tiny creature.
I'm not tiny, and I'm gonna win this battle. Hi.
I'd like to see you. Oh, very cute. Gah.
Go, David.
Oh, you're so tiny, aren't you? You're just a
Woo! You can do
That's
this.
it.
You can do this.
Oh, that hurt.
Woo! Brother, over here. Here you go. Oh,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother.
eat it.
I feel so much stronger. Thank you very much. Let me get my weapon back.
Go, David.
Let's keep this battle going.
You say so.
Go, David.
You're doing quite enough damage for such a puny little serpent.
That's it.
What? Oh!
Well.
Oh, please. Oh, oops. Hi. Okay.
Haha. I have won this battle. I feel amazing. Thank you very much for that, brother. You supported me so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will see you next time. Goodbye. Alright, everyone. Thank you for watching this video that I made. Yes, I know it was probably a little too short, but I hope it still sparked your interest inside of that brain, not noggin of yours. So, thank you to these people for this. Alright, so, hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Goodbye.